Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with another kitchen. This one turned out really nice. Got some really nice cabinets. We'll walk in here and we'll look at the other side of it. Beautiful legacy cabinets. Those are nice. They really got a really nice finish on them. Yep, you can see the knot holes. They really got a really nice look to them. Well, that's going to be it for this beautiful thing. Ladies and gentlemen, this show is about over, ready to hit the road. All right, y'all like, share, subscribe. There'll be more coming. Thanks. Later.